got him.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and this time we have a lot better video, so just stay tuned. But I wanted to do a quick intro because I filmed it in the truck and the audio quality just sucked. So we went back to the Port of Liberty. This time around was a little bit different, completely hammered them. But y'all see the footage for yourself, and we'll start the video right now. Alright guys, welcome back. We're back at the Port of Liberty once again. And the main reason why I came out here is because I'm trying to get on some fish of a bigger size. Mainly because you just don't like to catch dinks all the time. But to find out where the big ones are in this lake. I got a tournament starting in a couple weeks, so I need to, this is a home lake, this is close to me, it's about 15 minutes away from my house, so I need to kind of figure it out, because this could be a game changer in those challenge series, these month-long kayak tournaments. So we got the jig tied on, we got some crankbaits tied on, might throw a glide bait later. The clarity of the water is not as good, but we are going to be throwing a jig a lot today because that does develop a lot bigger bite than the little dinks. But crankbait has been on a good bite lately, except for the last week. So get in here and try to figure it out. I don't want to be too close to the bank because there's a gator somewhere around here. But it's going to be a grind to find them. It's going to be one of them days, I can already tell. Drag's not set. Stay down. There we go, boys. Stay on. Yes. That's how you freaking start the day right there. Yes. Oh my god, that guy's a tank. I'd say that's an upgrade. Big time. Let's just see. sir. That is 16.5 inches right there. Mouth closed. Gotta get my phone. Just a little tournament practice, but we said we'll measure. Look at that tank. That is it. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes. Right where we caught him too. Guys, I fished this all day yesterday. I threw a jig, crankbaits, everything. Just settled down and threw a Texas rig right through it. It was like the second it came over the rock too. Alright guys, so that was the first fish of the day. Now we're gonna try to mimic that bite. Repeat those kind of catches all day. I think the small ones stay on the wall. Find out what that was. There it is. Got him. Oh, yeah, he's coming right at me. That's two fish already. Starting the day off good. On the old Texas rig. Hey bud, you skinny. Open your dang old mouth. Boy, you've been eating on that wall. The second one, I'm not sure what to measure. Nah, he's only about 10 inches. Dude's mouth is beat up. He's been eating on that wall. Get him back in the water. It's fish number 2. Oh my God, that was a good one. There we go. That's a better one. soon as I started swimming it. Oh my god. That was a... I should have freaking reeled down. That was a big bite. Should have reeled down. Always important to reel it down and then set the hook. I didn't have time though. Now I do. That's a good one. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Oh, that's a good one. That's a beautiful one too. Yes! Another solid fish too. Look at that fish, guys. It's not a giant, but that's a giant for this lake. Got a big old underbite too. Another solid chunk for today. Decent one. I mean, he's been down there in the rocks. Beautiful color. I'd say he's about probably 2.5 pounds. That's 3 fish on the board. I knew just patience and working through here. This little corner right here, where this concrete meets a riprap, it's always a good spot for me. I got 2 quality tournament fish right there. I mean, and I missed the first bite on that. That second time I see my line moving, I reeled down on them. See if we can get another one out of that. Got him. Another good one. Damn. Another solid chunk right there. Get him on the board real quick. Picture. $14.5 right there. Release him over here. We got one. Stay down, stay down. That's perfect. Stay down. I want to measure. Right in the tongue, bud. Alright, dude. You gotta get more hooks in you, back. 13.5. Oh my god. Lay down. Oh, that's probably the best one of the day. No, not, but there's 5. I think I've figured out a pattern for the lake today. Look at that, guys. Got a chunk. Like I said, they're not giants in here, but they are good. Another 14. I was watching that spot before I made a cast on it. I wanted to cast in there. A lot of wood, a lot of riprap, rebar, and everything else, but another chunk right there. Probably a 2-pounder. There you go. Alright guys, so that's it. 5 biggest fish of the day. Definitely an upgrade from the previous video, which that's what I wanted. I wanted to go out there and kind of discover more of the lake, kind of fish what I'm used to fishing, and that's throwing a Texas rig or a jig. I just really started throwing crankbaits this year, and I really stuck with the crankbait too much, I guess you can say. Anyways guys, we did top 5 fish that were caught. I think it turned out pretty successful. Might do more videos like that. Actually, every video coming for the next couple months is going to be like that because we're going to be doing tournament fishing. So I'm taking 2 weeks off, 2 or 3 weeks, I think 3 weeks maybe, to kind of relax, spend some time with the family. You know, holidays is coming up, so we're gonna enjoy the holidays together, and then I'm gonna get back into the KBF Challenge Series tournaments, which I made one rookie mistake. I didn't understand the schedule. I didn't really look into it on when tournament season starts versus when it ends. So I'm actually a couple months behind because it started in October and I'm gonna be starting in January. But that's fine. I have confidence in a few lakes around me that I can do pretty good on, and I'm looking at hopefully going to the championship this year. I'll be bringing the camera and y'all along every step of the journey. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to those that subscribed. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You don't have to share it. Please like and subscribe because that does help. Drop a comment below if you feel like dropping a comment below. Anyways, thank y'all for watching.